We are pleased to show you the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power lift gate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.